Now, yesterday we talked about divide multi-digit numbers, and we said that if we want to divide multi-digit into multi-digits, the first step you have to find the compatible numbers of the divisor, then try to search about a number that is closed. I'll try to estimate the divisor to be closed to the dividend that can be divided the dividend into the divisor, as we said yesterday. Now here, let's now all of you go to your book. Example number 1 here. We have to divide 12,749 into 18. Here now, what do we have? We have to divide them. The first step, as I told you before, first step now you have to divide or to estimate 18. Sorry? This example number 1, lesson 1, go to page 6. This is okay, miss. I choose some questions to solve them, and I give you extra examples out from the book. They have the same idea. Yalla, now focus with me. Here now we have 18. We have 12,749 divided by 18. The first step you have to write to estimate the divisor. Estimate 18. So what is now the closest number, or can you estimate 18? Yes, let's write it as 20. Now look at 12,749. I want you now to estimate it using the compatible numbers and give me a number that can be easily divided by 20. Who can give me? Yeah, 12,800. Good job. Now then, let's divide 12,000. Yeah, you can choose what do you want. Over 20. Now, how many 20 in 128? Let's just a minute, miss. Miss, stop. Miss, please, when I speak, please don't interrupt me. This is the important rule, what I'm talking about it in the first class. Wallahi, I'll mute your microphones. Listen to me. After I finish the example, ask me. So here now we have 12,800. So now let's divide it by, I can say like we have 6 numbers. So we have 80 over 20. Then we add 0 down. So we have 4 times 20, 80, and then add 0 up. So the answer is 640. Now, why I use the compatible numbers? In order to help me to divide the numbers as they are. Here we have 12,749. Now, they tried 6. After they tried 6, that's not work, so they try number 7. So 7 times 8, 56. 7 times 1, 7, plus 5, 12. Then I'm gonna subtract them. 7 minus 6 is 1, 0, 0. And then here we have to add 4. So let's now, I will write it here. So 12,749 divided by 18. The first step, they tried number 7. They said that 7 times 8, 56. 56. 7 times 1, 7. Plus 5. Yes, Tulip, can you help me? Yalla, Tulip, say. Seven times 1. Plus 5. 12. Bravo. Then subtract them, and here the remainder is 1. Then what we have to do then? We have to add 4. So we have now 14. How many 18 in 14? No, so what we have to do now? No, first, since we add 4, and I cannot add 14 into 8, divide 14 into 18, I will add 0. Then after I add 0, I will call number 9 now. 149 over 18. Who can now give me a number that will multiply it by 18? You get 149. Try number 8. Yes. What you didn't understand? Sorry? Miss, she is speaking. Grade 6. Grade 6. Grade 6. While one of you is talking, please all of you stop talking. Listen to her. Yes, miss, what didn't understand? Multiplied what? Divide here means like 12,749. Okay, now then divide it by 18. For this question here, the first step you have to do on this lesson, you have to estimate using the compatible numbers. What do I mean here? I mean like you have to try to estimate 18. Let's estimate 18 into 20 by the compatible numbers. And then 12,749. I want you now to estimate it, this number, in order that can be easily divided by 20. Yes, Fatima, can you try to estimate 12,749? Yes, can you try to estimate it? Yes, Fatima, I'm talking with you, miss. If you don't know, tell me, teacher, I don't know. $12,749. To estimate it, use the compatible numbers. Yes. Let's estimate it now to 40,000 as an example. Okay, or 30,000. Number that can be easily divided by 20. When you divide it now, you find that the answer is 14 or 140 over 27 times 20, 140. Then subtract it, we have zeros. Then we put 0 down, up, up. So when you estimate it here, the answer is 700. Is it right? Okay. Now remember, what is the first digit here? 7. So this 7 now, after I estimated by the compatible numbers, I will put this number 7 up here. In order now to start divide. So here now, let's take number 7. Now, why we take number 7? Because we have use the compatible numbers now. We take number 7. Now let's multiply now 7 by 18. Okay, when you multiply it here now, 7 times 8.
7 times 8 equals
56. 50 up and 6 down. 7 then times 1 plus 5 12. So then let's subtract. 7 minus 6 is 1, 0, 0. Then now, after that, what we have to do? We have to put number 4 down. Now, here now, can I divide 14 into 18? No, we cannot. So because of that, I will add number 9 down. But before adding number 9, sorry, I must add 0 here. Why? Because when you add, or when you have number 14 only, and 14 cannot divide by 18. But since you bring a number from the dividend and it's not work, you have to give her an authority. Like it has an authority because it comes from the dividend. And she says that although I'm coming from the dividend, but I cannot divide it by the divisor, you have to add 0 instead of me. Then recall number 9. Then now here, after that, what do we have now? We have 149. Now, how many 18 in 149? You have to guess numbers. Let's try number 6 as an example. 6 times 8. 48. 48. And 6 times 1. 6 plus 4. 10. Now let's subtract it here. We have 1 and 14. So as you see here now, the remainder, so the answer is 41. Now the remainder is greater than the divisor. So there is something wrong. Let's try now here, look at 41. It's greater than 18. So now let's try or raise number 6. Let's make it 7 now. Keep clean here and now make it 7. 7 times 8. 56. 7 times 1. 7. And plus 5, 12. Then 9 minus 6, 3. 4 minus 2, 2. Yeah, now 23 here is greater than 18. So 7 is not working. So let's try now number 8. No, it's not working. Do you mean like to put another number? No. You don't play with the remainder 2 times. You have to, since we have a remainder, so you have to find the closest number. Not remainder, then remainder. This is wrong. So here now what do we have? We have number 8. So 8 times 8. 64. 64. 8 times 1 plus 6. 14. So the remainder here is 5. And 5 is less than 18. So what is the quotient here? The answer, the final answer. It's 708. And what's the remainder? The remainder is 5. So this is a way how I will write the answer. I will write the quotient, then remainder and the number. R mean remainder and 5, that's mean 5 here is a remainder. Now let's come back to our question here. What? The whole what? Wait a minute, please. The idea is, as I told you, Miss, please rewatch the video, study at home. Please, the first step you have to estimate the divisor, then estimate the dividend, then divide them. The answer, you have a quotient. Take the first digit from the quotient and get it back to the question. It's the idea. This is a way. Here we have many ways of division. We have, if I ask you to use like here, estimate, you have to put an estimation. So we have many ways. One of them using the compatible numbers. So here, what do we write? We write 8. Then we say we have 144, and the remainder is 5. So look here, how did she write it? They write like the answer 708 with the remainder 5. Now then, how can I check my answer? Check my answer means I have to multiply the quotient, which is 708. I have to multiply it by 18. Okay? Yeah, let's multiply now here. Eight times 8. Please choose, just a second. Maryam, stop. Shh, wait, miss. I'm talking. Choose Maryam Abdel Sattar. Yalla, where's Maryam? Yes, Maryam. Here, 8 times 8. Yes. Yes. 64. Bravo. 64. 8 times 0. 0. Yes, Maryam, where are you, miss? Yes, Sham. 8 times 0, 0 plus 6. 6. لا, wait, 8 times 0, 0, but you have to add 6. So it's 6. And 8 times 7?
65.
60, 56.
56, I mean, yes.
Then, here we have to add 0 because you're gonna twice. Yeah. Now 1 times 8.
And then 1 times 8, 8.
8.
Yeah.
1 times 0.
0, it's 0. And 1 times 7 is 7.
Bravo.